Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Blink Sync module blinking green. So here's a guide for what it means and how can you resolve it. Fix one is you need to check your internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working and on your phone or any other device. Then restart your router if the internet isn't working. Fix 2. Restart the sync module. Unplug the sync module, wait for 10 seconds and plug it back in. Wait for a few minutes for it to reconnect. Fix 3. Check the Blink app. Open the Blink app, go to Settings, select Device Settings and select your sync module. Check its Wi-Fi connection. Fix 4. Move the sync module. Place it closer to your Wi-Fi router. Keep it away from thick walls and other electronics that can interfere with the signal. Fix 5. Reconnect Wi-Fi. If the light continues blinking, you can open the Blink app, select Sync module, go to Change Wi-Fi network. Follow the instructions to reconnect it. Fix 6. Reset the Sync module. If nothing works, you can press and hold the reset button until the light pattern changes, then set up the Sync module again in the Blink app. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.